If you love beads, please join me as we explore this new Polychrome Glow Collection from EUREKA Crystal Beads. Hi, I'm Sherry here at the Little Beading Closet. And for this video, I have officially teamed up with EUREKA Crystal Beads. They were cool enough to send me their newest collection that I thought you would really love to see. And if you want to check it out on their website, there will be an affiliate link in the video description. And this is going to be an inspiring mix of perfectly coordinated materials, offered as a limited edition LITE collection, giving you a chance to try out all these items here. This is a very cool inspiration photo with all the mix of colors and the black. Let's see if that holds throughout the unboxing. It's a packing list where they break down all the beads and supplies into categories so you can easily find what's inside. So we'll go ahead and take everything out and look at it individually and up close, starting with crystals. How beautiful are these step-cut Krakowski crystals? They're a slim crystal foiled on the back, and the step-cut really lets you capture all the different colors inside with this violet blue emanating from the center. Very beautiful. And I did want to point out that these step-cut crystals, these are a new product exclusive to EUREKA Crystal Beads. And if you've seen any of my previous videos, you know I love this color. This is the Vitriol Light, and these are 12mm trillion cut stones. Here we have dark blue AB Krakowski 3mm bicone crystals. So much shimmer on these. And you also get 72 of these Krakowski bicone 4mm. This beautiful dark blue AB. And there's a strand of Chinese crystal rondelles. These are 2x3mm, and this beautiful metallic purple iris. Look at all the little flecks of color that they pick up. Definitely have a beautiful mix of crystals. The first tube are size 11 seed beads. Of course, beaders, we love our size 11 seed beads. And these are in a fun metallic iris purple. And the next tube of seed beads are Toho Treasures. These are like a delicate bead where they're a cylinder shape. And these size 11 ones are frosted charcoal lined crystal. This third tube of seed beads I'm showing you is by Miyuki. These are their 3.4mm drop beads and a metallic variegated blue iris. These are so pretty. And there's also a tube of 6mm bugle beads. And can you guess the color? It is matte black AB. That's right, black AB brings on all these wonderful shimmery colors, and this matte coating really is a lot of fun. Let's move these up and out of the way a little bit so I can show you this Miyuki assorted seed bead metallic rain mix. They're spilling out all over. We have so many fun and wonderful metallics. Look at this. There's really a lot of different beads in this mix. There's cube beads, size 8 seed beads, 6mm bugle beads, size 11 seed beads, hex beads, drop beads, twist beads. You get a little bit of everything. What a great collection of seed beads with all these beautiful different finishes. Let's look at some beautiful fire polish beads. These are 6mm check glass saturated metallic pink yarrow. There's a strand of 25. Aren't they pretty? And there's also 50 of these 3mm fire polish beads. These are an etched crystal, full silprit. Look at all the different colors they pick up. And rounding off the check glass beads are these mini gem duos. They're a jet full silprit. They're such a cute 2-hole bead. Of course, you get a whole tube. These really seem to embody the whole holographic theme for this box. And there's two types of earring findings. These French wires, they're a flat with a 3mm ball with a rainbow plating on them. There's also these post earring findings in the same rainbow plating. They have a hole at the bottom so you can hang something and a little bit of a curve to them. One of the ball and socket clasps, also in the rainbow plating. All the findings are in that metallic rainbow plating, so it will coordinate. 20 of the 5mm jump rings, 1-inch head pins. This irregular oval is a geometric connector. It's 35mm and also in the rainbow plating, coordinating with all the findings. This LITE collection, spelled LITE, is definitely an affordable way to get a great coordinating mix of beads and supplies. The Polychrome Glow Collection has such a deep, rich metallic feel of beautiful finishes, paired along with golds or silvers that you may already have, and you will be thankful to have all these goodies on hand. I went ahead and made a pair of earrings from the beads in this collection. They're named Byzantine Charm. You begin with the bezel for the center step-cut crystal and work on the edging to bring a lot of shimmer and a drop. They're really easy to make. I hope you enjoy the tutorial. Just check it out. I'll leave a link in the description. And I did want to point out that these step-cut crystals, this is the one that's used here in the earring. These are a new product exclusive to EUREKA Crystal Beads, so the Krakowski line of crystals. Absolutely love this new shape that they have out. If you really love this Polychrome Glow color mix and want to check it out or make a purchase, please use my affiliate link in the description below. It would help me out a lot at no extra cost to you. I may earn a small commission to help make all these videos and bring you more tutorials. I'm so glad that we could spend some time together today looking at the Polychrome Glow Collection. And I want to leave you with some final thoughts that came from EUREKA Crystal Beads and their inspiration. It says, rainbow hues shift and shimmer like secrets in the dark. Deep blues, violet purples, and hidden flashes of fiery orange and red seem to be moving across hundreds of metallic facets. Each glint carries bold elegance as the dance of color unfolds quietly, sophisticated and timeless. Please comment below any project ideas that you're inspired to make from this, or something that you might like to see. And as always, I hope you have a beautiful day.